What's up guys, Hype Sounds here today. I'm going to show you how to make this Reese Bass as I've been requested in the past. You will need Native Instruments Massive and Hype Sounds Compressor. You can download this sound in the link in the description below. And if you have any other suggestions for sounds I should do in the future, please leave them in a comment below. So let's get into it. Here is the track that I want to put a bass on. So I have here a new instance of Massive. We're going to do these with saw waves. So I'm starting with one oscillator, but we'll probably turn on two, and we'll do a lot of voicing, which is how you get the Reese Bass sound. So first, pitch it down 12 semitones, which is 1 octave. So you can see that's kind of the buzzing that's going to be the foundation for our sound. This one we're going to do 2 octaves to give our sound a little variety, which is 24 semitones. And we're going to detune it a little bit to give us some stereo width. So that already I think sounds better. We're not going to do anything with oscillator 3 or the mod os. Noise, that's really up to your preference. It's kind of a gritty sound already, and we're going to filter it, so it might just be like some dithering. It's up to your preference. And so next we want a low pass filter. Low pass 2 will be 24 dB per octave. Low pass 4 will be 48 dB per octave. That's just that's how strongly it will attenuate frequencies beyond the cutoff filter per octave. So that would be 48 and 24 dB per octave respectively. So we want some higher end, but not it to just cut off right away. So we're going to use a low pass 2 for now. So you can kind of hear it already. Cutoff is probably pretty low. We have a lot of resonance too. I kind of want a more resonant sound here, so that's what I'm going to use for now. So we're getting there. Nope, that was it right here. Another thing we want to keep track of is the stereo width of the sound. You can see here that it's completely monophonic, meaning it is not stereo at all. That's kind of boring. It's coming right down the middle at us. So what we can do while still seeing the stereoscope there is we can put in a simple delay. Delay. Or what's also big is we're going to go into the voicing tab here, turn the number of voices up to 4, and then we will do a little bit of detuning with the pitch cutoff, and then we're going to pan it here. This will really show in our stereo field. So that's almost 2 all over the place. And to make it more interesting, I'm going to use an envelope here to modulate the cutoff. That's pretty wild. that's pretty out there. What I want to do now is I actually want to run it through another filter. So I'm going to take this slider, drag this to series rather than parallel. So now the signal will go through filter 1, then filter 2. I'll select it as a mix between filter 1 and filter 2. For now, I want it all through filter 2 because there's just a little too much high end, and I want to use another low pass filter with a different cutoff and no resonance to chop off some of the high end there. And it's not playing now. Why is it not playing now? Hello, keyboard? Huh. What the fuck? And here's another trick, guys. You usually don't want to have so much stereo image in your low end, your bass. It's really hard for your ears to identify where those frequencies are coming from. Kind of muddies up your mix and confuses the listener. So I like to take an EQ8 here in Ableton, go to mid-side, go to the side. See, you can see here a lot of bass in the side. I'll take a pole filter and cut out a lot of the bass in the side, but I do like the bass in the mid. And now we record. And there you have it. You can download the sound in the link in the description below, as well as Hype Sounds Compressor. Leave me a comment if you have any other sound suggestions you'd like me to do, and I'll see you next time. Hype Sounds out.